every Jamaican must not only be safe, but must feel secure in carrying out their daily activities and to achieve their life's goal.
That is why the Ministry of National Security has taken an all-inclusive approach to crime fighting. The Security Minister outlined the major measures during his contribution to the 2017-2018 sectoral debate.
Illegal vending, squatting, the do-as-I-please mentality must be curbed so that public spaces can be enjoyed by all. Hence, we have launched Operation Clean Sweep, which is bringing back some semblance of order. We are strengthening our anti-corruption laws, merging agencies to concentrate resources, and enforcing adherence to already established laws.
He also revealed that government would be purchasing another surveillance plane to patrol our waters as part of ensuring border security.
We have increased cooperation with our partners and upped the use of international watch lists. We have, for the period April 1, 2016 to March 31, 2017, refused entry to 507 persons and deported 138 persons from Jamaica.
Steps are being taken to harden resistance and improve defense against cybercrime, in part to protect government websites from being hacked.
We have conducted a cyber defense audit on critical networks and are in the process of treating with the weaknesses.
Government is also taking a proactive approach to protecting the country from terrorist attacks.
We therefore will be amending our anti-terrorism laws, engaging a consultant to write our terrorist response manual. We have already started to harden our defenses, rearrange soft targets, and have invested heavily into our intelligence network. We increased information sharing with our partners and have begun to actively work on more bilateral agreements. We are taking terrorism seriously and have started training of some of our officers at the Caribbean Maritime University.
Speaking of the CMU and other such institutions,
we see education as a tool for crime fighting. A literate person has the ability to resolve conflicts peacefully. Not only are we strengthening our Safe School program, but we are far advanced in completing a discussion with the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information to introduce a unit in all HEART modules to teach etiquette, punctuality, conflict resolution, career planning, volunteerism, and civics.
National Security Minister Robert Montego will also be continuing his 5-pillar national crime strategy this fiscal year.
Every Jamaican must be confident that the system will deliver and on a timely basis. So retired judges, additional court staff are being recruited, courthouses are being repaired, the plea bargaining enhanced, police are better preparing case files, and in addition, some 20 lawyers will be employed. Our aim is to equip our inmates with skills so that they do not return. We are also doing chess, sports, literacy as a means of conflict resolution, more trade training, and more formal high school equivalency programs. Crime prevention through social development. We acknowledge that it is as a result of social disorder that crime sometimes thrives. We are therefore introducing the National Identification System, where every Jamaican will have an identification card with vital information. We are insisting that your father's name be put on your birth certificate, giving more time in schools via the Career Advancement Program, and channeling unattached youth, especially boys, into the LEGS program. The 4th pillar is situational prevention. We have 40% of our population in informal settlements with poor roads, poor light and water supplies. We need better coordination of our built and natural environment. We are increasing spending on the land program. We are amending the land titling laws to make titling faster. You will see the security forces clearing specific communities of gangs and also allowing space for the social agencies to do their work within these communities. It is not beyond us in Jamaica to remove the barriers, equalize the opportunities, and build a better and more prosperous Jamaica. We believe that effective policing is the way to go. We must respect the human rights of others, utilize technology, information gathering, and age-old police techniques. It is this combination that will ultimately break the back of crime.
The security force will intensify its operations to get illegal guns off the streets. Between January and April 15 this year, 241 guns were recovered, a 37% increase over the same period last year. Gangs and lottery scamming are also major targets this year. To secure convictions, the DNA registry is now up and running, and several pieces of legislation are to be amended to include stronger penalties.
We'll be amending the Fingerprint Act, the Firearms Act, the Proceeds of Crime Act. We also want to place pre-deal laws under offences under the Proceeds of Crime Act. The Offensive Weapons Act, the Noise Abatement Act, and the MOCA Act is already tabled.
With government leading the charge, citizens are urged to play their part by downloading the Stay Alert app and report criminal activities.
We have a clear path, Mr. Speaker. The good people of Jamaica can be reassured that we take their safety and security seriously. We are investing the resources, utilizing technology, building partnerships. We urge every citizen to be a partner for safety and security.